Hey Christian, do you know what time it is?
Vlog time!
Vlog time, vlog time, vlog time!
We are leaving Utila. Spent about a week here, made some new friends, made some trades in the group. We lost Jimmy, and we gained Tommy. Yeah. But yeah, official scuba divers now. Heading to mainland Honduras. Getting on that ferry now, and it's fucking hopefully not as choppy as last time. Right, Ben? What happens when we stay at a brewery, Benny? A few testers. So we've made it to Lago de Yohoa, and today we're checking out some waterfalls. What are they called, Ben?
Stop, I don't know. No idea.
It starts with P.
off.
It starts with P.
Smells like the poo waterfall.
Yeah, there's shit everywhere here. I think it's like Pula Panzak waterfall or something like that.
Or some shit like that.
It's close enough, Ben.
Never gonna get that.
Whoa! Mmm.
It's a cummy snow cone.
Oh fuck, there's another one. Oh my god, there's fucking...
Wow.
El tiempo que quiera, amigo. El tiempo que quiera.
Ben, run away! So we had an extra day to spend in Lago de Yohoa because the shuttles would only run on every second day. So Ben came up with a bright idea to go kayaking. Woo! I wish they gave us life jackets though.
Yeah, where's your life jacket?
What if we fell in? It actually looks sick. So it started raining on us, and fuck, you can't even tell, but look at those clouds behind us. We're just gonna be fucking rowing into it.
20 minutes upstream.
Against the current as well. We have finished another country.
I'm back, guys.
Oh yeah, James is
I'm back. I made
Big
it.
news.
Reunion.
Anyway, we're out of Honduras and we've just made it into Nicaragua. We walked in the door of our hostel and we had to fucking barge through a party because I don't think the place stops, but
I guess we're gonna have to have some beers.
I guess we'll have to party.
Shit.
Damn. Anyway, first day in Leon, we're walking around checking out the town and the street art and whatnot, but in about an hour we're about to hike up a volcano, get on a wooden board and slide down it. You excited, Ben?
Yeah.
Apparently it gets up to like 70 kilometers per hour. The record was like 100 kilometers per hour. So Ben's gonna give it his all.
Everything I got, baby.
Everything I got. Can you think of something funny to say?
I'm trying. Big.
Ben, no, you can't go inside the skirt.
I was thinking that.
Everyone's aboard. Sponsors, Gabby, your photographers, when you stay home, I will.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got it.
Here we go, Jimmy.
On my sled.
Professional volcano board sliders.
The record is 101 kilometers per hour down the mountain.
Jimmy projected a 101.5.
I'm going for 102.
Oh,
actually.
shit.
So check back in later. Check back in later to see if I smash the record. I'm feeling confident.
I'm calling like 40 kilometers per hour max.
Probably 35.
Ben? So we slide down here and I am bricking it.
Getting one.
Fuck that. What are we thinking, boys?
Fuck beer. What are we thinking? I am not scared.
Neither. You're kidding. Tommy,
I wouldn't want to.
how does it feel to clock the highest speed in the group?
Mate, we just knew it was going to happen.
It was always going to happen, huh?
What about the only staff?
These guys fucking stacked it, ate it. Jackson?
You talked to Jackson about how.
Yeah, how you feeling, Jack?
What was your pace at?
Just a speed gun error.
Yes.
It wasn't working properly. I can run fast. Beer boy. If you saw Jimmy go down, it's a fucking load of shit.
Mate, he's just a sore loser. He hasn't got my pace. I never has.
Oi! My hand's getting a little cold. Ah! Fuck!
That's his black.
Mine caught.
Una más! We are all leaving Leon. We all feel $1 million.
So good.
So
No one here remembers anything.
Jackson fell asleep in my bed last night.
You don't remember anything?
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 Anyway, we're off to Granada to do the treehouse party, so we're going back to back.
Double duty, baby.
Yeah.
Jimmy, back to back.
Oh,
back
Jimmy,
to back,
back to
Jimmy.
back. Back to back, Jimmy.
Car.
Yeah. Jackson, no parkour.
Nah, no Bayer. Jackson, please.
No parkour.
Come on. Only parkour now.
No parkour. They said no parkour.
I was gonna do my parkour.